Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Bill, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video with me. My name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company. I wanted to go over three key factors that you need to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure. Just a little quick overview. You need content, backlinks, and citation. Now understand that every time you type something in here, you're actually typing keywords into Google. And Google uses that to look for what you are asking from a website that best fits your search for the words you just typed in there. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words that get typed in the search. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your website, and that's depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, you also need backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust. You need citations or referring domains. That is where your business name, address, and phone number come from. And as it is shown exactly on your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, I would highly recommend you get one or build one. It directly connects you to your business to the citations, and that's what helps you rank on the map. This is how the rank structure takes place for the map. It's extremely important to be seen here. A lot of people go to the map. How many times have you Googled food near me, gas station near me, Costco near me, or whatever it be, and you come to the map? And you get there through citation directories like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page. Everything underneath the map is considered the organic rank section. Now, this is an ad, it's Yelp. This is a AAA, that's an ad as well. But the organic structure from your content and your backlinks and your SEO, your search engine optimization with your keywords, is what puts customers, or I'm sorry, business operators and websites and company owners on the first page of the map. Now, considering that you don't have a web page, I wanted to show you an idea or an example. I pulled up Mark's Super Service Center. He's on the first page, and I have a tool that I can plug him into, and I can get an overview of what his website looks like. I can see that he has 192 backlinks, which is websites from one another linking to each other. He has 19 referring domains, and he has 495 keywords in his content, and this generating him exposure and traffic. This is what puts him on the front page of Google. To give you an idea of what is going on inside of here for keywords, let's let this computer do its thing. So first you have the volume, and this is how many times a month these words are searched. Now, aside from his name, auto repair, North Charleston. Okay, we have that 50. We have RV repair, 40. We have Ford. We have Mark service. So we have Mini Cooper, Kia, North Charleston, Honda service, North Charleston. Let's see. Toyota service, Charleston. Suzu repair shop near me. This gives you an idea of what these keywords are and what he has in his particular website for him and the exposure that he gets because of the amount of volume these words are searched each month, which generates customers. You know, you get exposure, you get more people looking at that. That's why I get ranked on the first page. Let's take a look at maybe referring domains or citations. To give you an example of that. Here we go. Do anything. Citations, Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Best Services Now, and not all citations and backlinks are created equal. You want a strong domain rank. You want something that's established. So he looks like he has pretty well established. and these are all obtainable to you as well. Just anything that's got a listing of name, address, and phone number as it reflects on your Google Business profile. And backlinks are the same. Again, backlinks, one website that links to another. Now we have Mark, we have expertise.com, charlestonfinest.com, the rankings. Not everyone is equal, but you want a strong one. You want to anchor yourself to strong ones. And that creates trust, and Google can see that. And this is what puts it together. So most people don't go past the first page of Google. So once your content, and your backlinks, and your citations, once those all start to come together, and you start to outrank your competitors or actually move up onto the first page of Google, you can quickly see the value that your business will now have with the exposure, with the right content and the right keywords. It's a lot of customers, there's a lot of potential customers, there's a lot of people looking at you, and that just brings in more revenue. I mean, and who doesn't want that? So, with that being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. I appreciate you taking the time to look at this. I hope you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to you. If you find yourself wanting more info, we could talk. I could do some research, find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business. So thanks for watching and have a great day.